Hey guys, X64 here, and welcome to the beta version of Luigi's Mansion, which was shown at the E3 2001 demo. So, this is what it looks like. If you haven't seen the videos on YouTube yet, I figured I'd do my own playthrough of this. It's a very short game, actually, so it's not going to take that long. Only about like 15 minutes. However, I will be doing the European version of the Hidden Mansion, so stay tuned for that whenever that is ever published on my YouTube channel. And also, I'll be leaving a link in the description for the YouTube channel and the Discord server on how I was able to get the beta version of this game. And I'd like to note the fact that unfortunately I don't have the Chef Ghost in this Dolphin build, which is really sad. So, but yeah, I'm actually gosh, it's been a while since I've done a video. I think it's been like 3 months since I've 3 months. So I'm playing with the Xbox controller because I don't have the hookups for the GameCube controller, unfortunately. I do have GameCube controllers, but again, just not for the computer. And I'm recording this off my laptop. However, the capture is coming from my iPhone because the OBS doesn't work on here, on the computer. I mean, it does work, but the emulator will be very, very choppy. So I'm recording this, off the phone. So I know I'm skipping through the text. I just want to get into the gameplay. So this is what it looks like I said. So anyways, let's get into the first room here. I actually had to redo this gameplay about a few times because the first God knows how many other attempts that this video was attempted didn't exactly go the way that it was planned to go. Oop, I want to overheat the vacuum. I heard that there's a mixed collection version of this, but for the life of me, I cannot find it. If you guys know where I can find the mixed collection version of this beta build, then please let me know in the comments. So, there we go. I heard that the European copy of this game, like of the Hidden Mansion, which is mirrored, if you didn't already know, I hear it's a lot harder. So that's gonna be fun. Yeah, see, like right there, the video is still a little choppy. I can't help that, unfortunately. Oh wow, nice. I thought she was gonna come back around. Oh, there you go, just show you that Luigi can crouch. The controller layout for this, like, it's all sidestepping. There's no, like, it's not like the GameCube release of this game, It's a whole lot different. Oh wow, sweet. Yeah, vacuum overheats pretty quickly. Alright. And we're actually almost done with this. Because most of the rooms are boarded up. Oh, and speaking of rooms, this is what all the floors look like. If you guys ever played the GameCube version, you would know that there's not this many doors in the game. But so yeah, those are the floors right there. For all of you to enjoy. Ha! Take that, Basher. Unfortunately, I don't know all the ghosts in the game. Just some of them, like the puncher ghost right here. Oh shit. Ha! Ha ha. There we go. Honestly, I would have loved to have played this version of the game if it was released for the GameCube. But it's actually cool enough that people get to play the beta version right at home. Or what they think most of it would have looked like. Because even when this game was showcased in the 2001 E3 demo, it was pretty much the same thing. I mean, there's really not much of a difference, other than the chef ghost not being present in the kitchen, which you'll see here in a minute. There we go. There we are. Yay! Oh, and also, here's the water squirter thingy. Okay. Ha! Got it. Oh, and the chef ghost is supposed to appear right there. But it's just a regular punching ghost. No! I missed. There we go. That's all the money. All the money. And not overheat the vacuum in the process. Put water in the sink. Okay. And unfortunately, there's nothing out here other than some bats. There's not much to really do, actually, out here. You can't get the dog at all, unfortunately. So we're just gonna go back in here and just battle the ghosts in the hallway. Okay. Also, what I like about the beta version of this is that there just happens to be a door right there. Oh shit. There we go. Oh, so if you get scared by one of the basher ghosts, like the one I just sucked up, you'll lose about 50 of your health. Ow! Ow, that hurt. I don't know how I... Oh, whatever. Come on. There we go. Haha. I'm almost at the mark until the demo ends. There we go. There we go. Also, really quick before the beta ends, demo ends, this is the other room here. And as you can see, there's nothing here. Other than maybe just a booth. Other than that, there's nothing here. Isn't that the end of it? Okay, I think... Okay, I might have gotten it wrong. I don't think it ends yet. Thought it did. Thought it ended at a minute 26. I guess I'm wrong. Okay, yeah, there's... Okay, there we go. I was like, why wasn't it popping up? Very nice. So this is it. There's nothing else to really do other than just go back to your guys' lab. Alright, now the last thing we're gonna do before we end off the video here is we're gonna do the practice, or the training room, as it's well known. Oh shit. God damn it, I don't want to turn off the flashlight. There we go. Yeah, like I said, if any of you guys know the link that I can find the mixed collections version of this beta build, please let me know, because again, I will do a video on it. So honestly, just playing this, I've always wanted to play this build or the beta version of this game ever since I saw the video that Beta 64 did way back, like 2011, I think, is when he made the video, and also a revised version of it too. Come on. God damn, that is sloppy. There we go. I think I got them all. Alright. That's it. Nothing else to do. So yeah, I got it late. Alright, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the short little beta that I presented you. Again, like I said, I know I haven't done a whole lot of videos lately. YouTube isn't really a big interest for me. So But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more, and I'll see you all next time when I, like I said, when I do the European Hidden Mansion.